In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sessions in Zoho Meeting. By the end, you'll know how to start a recording during a live meeting, pause or stop it, and then access, download, and share the file afterward. Before you begin, make sure you're the host of the meeting and that your account is on a paid Zoho Meeting plan, since only hosts on paid plans can use the built-in recording feature. Recording captures your meeting's audio, video, and anything you share on screen, and everyone will be notified when recording starts for transparency. Start by launching your Zoho meeting as the host and joining the session. Once you're in, look along the meeting toolbar for the More menu. Click that, then choose Start Recording. You'll see a clear on-screen indicator confirming that recording is in progress. From this moment, your microphone, camera, and shared screen content are being captured. It's a good practice to briefly announce that recording has begun and double-check your mic levels and screen share before you dive into the content, so the final recording is clean and complete. If you need to take a quick break or skip a sidebar conversation, use the pause control in the same recording menu. When you're ready to continue, pick Resume to keep everything in a single file. When the meeting wraps up, or when you've captured what you need, return to the same menu and click Stop Recording. Remember, only the meeting host can start or stop the recording controls. After the meeting ends, your recording is processed and saved to your Zoho Meeting account. To find it, go to the Files section, then open the Recordings tab. You'll see a list of your saved sessions there. Click a recording to play it back right in the browser for a quick review and make sure audio and shared content look the way you expect. From that same list, you can download the recording as a file to keep a local copy or to edit in another tool. You can also share it directly by generating a link or sending it via email from within Zoho Meeting. When sharing, adjust access settings to control who can view or download the recording, which is helpful for keeping internal meetings private and complying with your organization's policies. Consider renaming your recording with a clear title and date so it's easy to find later. That's it. You've recorded your session, stopped it neatly, and located, downloaded, and shared the final file, all within Zoho Meeting.